drive from Hilo to Kona. We're going to Waikoloa. It's a beautiful Saturday, sharing some beautiful vibes to you all. I know we're going through some difficult times based on the coronavirus. I hope that everyone is well wherever you are. Sending some love. Madavinaka Ula. Tahu naloto Pulau Vinaka. Pulau Vinaka ini Pambul Cengayani Bulayanu. Ayan, Raki Vinaka Cikoi Kona Bula Leta Laisa. Aloha. Just sharing some beautiful music and vibe from Hawaii, Bulakiti, and listening to George Fiji Vekoso. Nakakiti, hope you well in Brisbane. Nakalaisa na besar-besar cukumay. Pambul cengan, iyo nitun driver main na mosi. Bula kali. Yeah. So it's a beautiful Saturday afternoon here in Waikoloa in Kona. Nakcengan Kona bulan itakin ni bulan-bulan benakatiko. Kosa pasgoy Hapuna Beach. Ngal sarcengan goy Kailua Kona. Nakabakalebu bambula cengayani. Bula Mekisa, how are you? Yeah. Nitak daw Bula Vinaka. Hope that you are okay wherever you are. I understand about the situation of the coronavirus here in Hawaii on the Big Island. There's only one case. I heard that he or she is recuperating, but on Oahu there's one case in Maui and one in Kauai. I think there's a total of 8, I think altogether, but it's the mainland. We are just encouraging the people in the mainland to listen and just stay at home, and hopefully they can listen to the rules set by the government for everybody's protection. Yeah. So here I am, just enjoying the sun and driving around from Hilo all the way to Kona and do a little bit of sun tanning and then go back to Hilo. Yeah. Bula Vita, Bula Maika, Bula Vinaka. Aloha Josie. saying bula to you, Rananim. Hope that you are well over there in Oahu. So just enjoying the music here and going over to Kona. Just enjoy the scenery, bula maika. Yeah, ito cukup balik na uda may hilo. So we decided to drive over to Kona because it's always sunny. In Fiji, it's like going over to Nandi, or in the Mamanudas. So to my friends, my taubu from the west is best. It's always sunny. Bula Bronson, how are you? Yeah. Lisa, Bula Binaka. We miss you too. Yeah. Nakavalevu. So I hope you will enjoy some scenery. So yeah, I hope you're okay in New Zealand. Bula Naita Rossi, how's Huntley? Rossi, this is for you.
Uro Rossi, Uro Huntley.
Uro. Come on over, and if you can make it through. Naka, thank you for stopping by, sharing some Fiji love with everybody. Bula Fifita, Malom Bula. So aloha from Hawaii. So there's some beautiful scenery. Yeah. So we hope that you are fine in the States, Fifita, and also my friends in New Zealand. I miss you all very much. Yeah, I hope that I will return one day to Aotearoa, and wishing you guys all the very best with the current situation. Bula Memsi Neta, Bula Fiji, thank you for stopping by. Yeah. So just enjoying the sun here in Kona, sorry. I live in Hilo, which is on the other side of the island. But hope you can see some of the islands, the volcano from here. Hold on, I'll change it now. So you can see some volcano lava. Those are all lava fields. That's one of the hotels, Mauna Lani. It's so beautiful today. Bula Nanita, Memsi. Yeah, beautiful scenery here. We're still about 1,000 or less, close to the sea now. We were over 2,000 feet above sea level a few minutes ago. So these are all lava fields. So these were all remnants of volcanic eruptions in the 1800s, 1860, 1859. Bula Memsi, yeah, thank you Fifita, Bula Rossi. Yeah, hope you will enjoy some of this scenery here in Hawaii. Hope to host you guys one day while listening to Neta. Thank you, Neta. Listening to George Fiji Vekoso. So that's Mauna Hualalai. And we just gone past Mauna Kea. Yeah. Nakavalevu. Until my next update. Miri, Waikoloa. Waikoloa village. Bulamiri, hope you're well in Auckland. Yeah. Oh no, Waikoloa. Waikoloa there. So here we are. That's Waikoloa. No. Yeah. No, you could rock me, don't let me tell me. We should have gone there. So we've just reached Waikoloa. So this is Waikoloa Beach. It's one of the very popular place here. Ito Manguliw. So Waikoloa Beach Resort. So this is where we're going. Amano. Yeah, it's a beautiful place. So here we are in some of the timeshares, some of the hotels. It's really gorgeous here, especially today. There's some beautiful places. I hope to host you guys. Anyone planning to visit Hawaii post the coronavirus, we hope to host you here. So this is the clubhouse. So this is where most tourists come to, and most of the time they come here for conferences. Reminds me of the Coral Coast, and reminds me of Nandi. Vitalina, Bulavinaka Neta. Aloha from Kandavu. No, not Kandavu, Hawaii. Bulavinaka. So I hope that you enjoying some change of scenery. Everyone has been talking about coronavirus, but I thought, hey, let's try and look at the bright side of life and enjoy every moment with our families. Time to slow down, time to reflect on the things you've done over the years. Also, for those of you who are planning to do some studies, maybe this is the opportunity for you to do your studies, whether it's in any level actually, high school, or trying to do your certificate, diploma, degree, your master's, your PhD. A good opportunity to reflect on those goals. So sometimes, you look at situations like this with the coronavirus. As I said before, good chance for families to be together in one place, and for us individually to also assess our lives. Yeah. So also just want to show some goats. So I know I'm from Kandavu, so I'm very proud to show some goats on this road. Bulame. So naman turanga. So these are some of the lava flow from Mauna Loa, 1869, that came through here. So here, Bulavinaka, Litia, Bulapau, Kai. So sharing some love from Hawaii. Hope you're enjoying some scenery. And Tina Mosi is a DJ. He's doing some car distancing, not social distancing. Oh, Waikoloa Villas. Yeah, such a beautiful day. Bulanotema, Bulamiri. Yeah, it's a beautiful place. Taulitia Tawake. I think it's still better than Yasawa. Pula tao. Esta way rara. Uwi. Pula na tema. Thanks for stopping by. Ko kalau bertu sarmira. Aloha Angela. Just enjoying beautiful scenery here in Kona. We're here in Waikoloa actually. Just going to Waikoloa. And showing some lava and some coconut trees. It's so gorgeous. Aloha my sister. I hope you're okay wherever you are. Are you back in Washington, Angela? Yeah. I look forward to host you here. I hope you're okay. In terms of the coronavirus, we only have one positive case on the Big Island. So we're very thankful for that. Bula Vili, Bula Momo Vili.
Hey, Bula Valley. Bula Valley. Lome Valley.
Yeah. A farmer. Oh, it's some hope, and I hope Angela you're enjoying the scenery, reminding you of home, of Hawaii, your beautiful home, which is my home at the moment. We love it here. So this is a Polynesian bus. Yeah. So just dropping off some visitors here. I think it's in the front, Waikoloa Village. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, hope you're okay, Angela. Wishing you all the very best for you and your family. So wherever you are, thank you. I look forward to catch up with you as well. Yeah, I'm writing my book. Hopefully we'll finish it before the end of the year. My book on repatriation. Yeah, thank you for all your support and answering my questions over the years when I was writing my PhD. I really appreciate it. So, welcome to Hilton, Waikoloa. So sharing some beautiful sights from Hawaii. Yeah. Yeah. Naka Angela Mbula. I hope you are enjoying some of the sceneries here in Kona. Such a beautiful, beautiful place. Bula Momo Vili, Bula Miri. Yeah. So, just sharing some beautiful sceneries here from Waikoloa. That's Mauna Kea. It's Mauna Kea right there, behind the tree. Some waterfalls. And there's Mauna Kea right there. Hope you can see the snow and the clouds. Shops. Where's KTA? Just ask. This is the shops. Laki naman doon. Ano doon? Ganito bermika. That's a shop. KTA. Turn left in here. nice. Nakasar-sar chikumai. Yeah. We're just visiting a friend here in Wekoloa. And then you call. Yeah. Nakavalevu. Glad we are arriving here safely. Okay, Nakavalevu for stopping by, for saying hello. Really appreciate your time to do so. So just sending some loloma, aroha, and aloha to you all, wherever you are, until my next update. Nakavalevu, and love to everyone. Stay safe and wash your hands. Social distancing is very important. And yeah, lots of things you can do at home with your children, lots of weaving and cooking and reading, and also for me watching Netflix. I think that's something I look forward to as well. Okay, Vinakavalevu, Nisamo Demanda. Aloha, mahalo.